PrettyUgly family. We're here with another video. Today we're gonna be cooking. That's Daryl. Y'all wondering. So me and Daryl haven't told anyone, but we've decided to go pescatarian, which means we're not eating any meat. And today I'm doing something a little different. I'm making spaghetti. Normally I do it with turkey meat and pork sausage, but today I'm gonna use some shrimp and some spinach.
Yes, girl.
I figured it can't be like much different than like doing regular spaghetti. But yeah, let's do it, y'all. Let's cook some food. Let's cook some food. You just hold the camera. So first we start off with the shrimp. This is the shrimp I'm using right from Walmart. It's the bag because, well, one, I wanted to show y'all, and two, I like to just take the tail off so that when we're eating the spaghetti we don't have nothing to worry about.
I'm still just cleaning off the shrimp. Well, not cleaning it, but taking the shell off the shrimp. I like to move it around to make sure there's no pieces that I leave on the shrimp. And then once I'm finished, I just drain it out so that I can start with my seasoning of the shrimp bowl. So you can basically use whatever seasonings you like. I like to use black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic and herb, no salt seasoning, some regular garlic powder, and of course some regular salt. I do like Lori's, but not on my shrimp, just because I don't need no seasoned salt. I like to use regular seasonings and then regular salt. So yup, like I like my food very much seasoned. I know that shrimp, like you don't have to season it like extreme because it's not like a steak or something where like it needs like so much seasoning. But like I said, yeah, I like my food nice and seasoned, so I put a decent amount of seasoning up on there. And then once I'm done with that, mix it up around. Oh, some minced garlic. Sorry y'all. Let's add some minced garlic in there because who doesn't love fresh garlic? And now we just mix it up all up in there. Yes, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Gotta put your foot in it. You know what I mean? You can use a glove, but I never really did. So get up in there. That's done. And I'm using some regular old canned spinach from Walmart, and I like thin spaghetti. I would recommend fresh spinach, but I didn't have that, so I do what I can. And now I'm boiling the water for the pasta. The water, some olive oil in the water, just so like the noodles is not all sticking together. And once I'm waiting for the water to boil, I start making the shrimp with the spinach, which is really easy because like I said, the shrimp is already cooked. The spinach is basically cooked, so we're just gonna put that in there and let it simmer up, let the seasonings mix. Add a little bit more seasoning because the spinach doesn't have any. Yes, I taste my food while I'm cooking to see what it needs in it. So if y'all see me adding more seasoning over time, that's what's happening. So now that the water is finished boiling, we're gonna add some of the noodles in it. Now I don't like a whole noodle, so I break the noodles in half. Now this is a talent. Now it's not a real talent, but you just have to do it a certain way, because if you just try to break the noodle regular, it will splatter everywhere. Believe me, I've had that happen to me. But it creates like more noodles, and like they're not like just extremely long. So I do this to kind of conserve it. And like I said, I just don't really care for a really long noodle. So let's wait. This is the spaghetti sauce I'm using, Ragu. Mama's Special Garden combination Ragu, the chunky kind. I do like the chunky kind over the regular kind. And yeah, you just add as much as you think you need. I didn't add the whole bottle just because, as y'all can see, it looks like more than enough. It wasn't as much as like meat as when I have the turkey meat and the sausages. Like the spinach and shrimp was a lot less, so it didn't need as much spaghetti sauce. And that's basically done, y'all. Let's get back to cooking, okay? So I added a little ricotta cheese, but I do love ricotta cheese, so obviously, you know, that's just an optional kind of thing. It did give it a more like funny looking look. It didn't make it look as appetizing, but let me tell y'all, it tasted delicious. Delicious. So this is me just checking the noodles, making sure it's cooked. I do it by tasting it. I don't know how other people do it. Like some people throw it up to the ceiling to see if it falls or if it sticks. And then this is my favorite breadsticks, y'all. New York brand. Ironically. And now I'm just draining the pasta because it's finished. See, nothing stuck to the pot because I had the olive oil in there. Nice and nice. And yeah, y'all, basically the food is ready. Oh yeah, and I don't recommend keeping a spoon in the pot. And this is it, y'all. Like I said, it did make the color look a little weird, like with the spinach and the sauce and all that. It almost looks like a brown, but when I tell y'all this meal was on point, it was on point. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. See you guys soon.